Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw from Trojan Solana bot on Telegram. Now to do this, the process is really quite simple, quick and easy. Now we will begin by clicking on the start button, and here, as you guys can see, my balance is displaying right here. I'll swipe down and click on the withdraw option. Once you click on that, it will ask you to select the network to withdraw from. We'll select Solana right here and click on Sol, and now here we need the withdrawal address. And to get the withdrawal address, I have my Phantom wallet extension right here on my Chrome. From here I will copy the receiving Solana address from the Phantom wallet, and once I have done that, I will go here and paste it right here, and just paste it right here. Click OK, and now here it will ask you the amount you want to withdraw. Now here I will select the 100%. You can select whatever the amount you want and select 100% and click on withdraw. Make sure you have the correct address, and once you click on withdraw, now the withdrawal is complete. My balance is now zero. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.